Calling card option not showing in phone dialer. In this video, I'll show you how to fix calling card option not showing in phone dialer. So let's see the step. First of all, tap and hold phone app. Just tap and hold phone app and click on app info. Now scroll down, click on storage and cache. Now click on clear data. Now click on delete. Now go back to home screen and open Play Store. Now click on search bar and search for phone by Google, and here you can see phone by Google app. Just click on this option and click on update and update your phone app. After updating your phone app, just scroll down and here you can see join the beta. Just click on join. Now click on join again. Now go back to home screen. Now normally restart your phone. Just restart your phone. After all step, I hope your issue solved successfully. So thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, comment and subscribe.